Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Rayman plush. First, gather all your necessary supplies. You will need about 2 to 3 yards of fleece fabric in Rayman's signature colors, like purple, orange, and white. Don't forget plenty of soft polyester fiberfill for stuffing, along with strong sewing thread, sharp scissors, and a reliable sewing machine. Make sure to print your chosen pattern at 100% scale to ensure correct proportions for your plush. Now, let's start bringing Rayman to life. Begin by meticulously cutting out all your pattern pieces from the fleece fabric. Remember to be precise for the best results. Next, pin the corresponding body sections together, right sides facing, and sew them using your machine. Make sure to leave small openings on each piece, typically about 2 inches long, which will be used for stuffing. Then, carefully attach the unique floating hands and feet to their respective limb sections. With your pieces sewn, it's time to give Rayman his form. Begin by generously stuffing each individual body part with polyester fiberfill. Ensure they are firm and well-shaped, but not overstuffed. Once filled, carefully hand-sew all the openings closed using an invisible ladder stitch for a seamless finish. Next, securely attach the head to the main body, making sure it's centered and stable. Finally, add his iconic facial features, like his expressive eyes and friendly mouth, using embroidery floss or small fabric pieces. Your Rayman plush is almost complete. Take a moment to inspect your creation for any stray threads or areas that might need a little extra shaping. Gently mold the plush to capture Rayman's unique and dynamic posture. If you wish, you can sew a small fabric loop onto the back of his head for easy display. To keep your new friend looking his best, remember to hand wash him with a mild soap and allow him to air dry completely. Enjoy your handmade Rayman.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.